Welcome to our channel. Today, we're diving into a highly recommended tool for car enthusiasts and everyday drivers alike, the ANCEL AD310 OBDII scanner and diagnostic tool. We found this product online and have included a link in the description below so you can check the latest price and availability. The ANCEL AD310 is a compact yet powerful OBDII scanner designed to help you diagnose and troubleshoot engine faults in your vehicle. It's a great addition for anyone looking to take charge of their car's health without relying solely on a mechanic. This handy device is especially popular among DIYers and those who want to save time and money by identifying issues before heading to a shop. One of the standout features of the AD310 is its compatibility. It works with most vehicles manufactured in the US from 1996 onwards, along with EU vehicles from 2002 and Asian cars from 2005. This wide range of compatibility means you can use this scanner on a variety of makes and models, making it a versatile tool for multiple vehicles. In addition to the AD310, this package includes the FX2000 car scanner. The FX2000 is not just an OBDII scanner, it also diagnoses critical systems like the engine, ABS, SRS, and transmission. It offers live data streaming, a built-in DTC library, and even allows for data playback and printing. These features make it an invaluable tool for anyone who wants thorough diagnostics and real-time updates on their vehicle's performance. Weighing in at only 12 ounces and with dimensions of 8.9 by 6.9 by 1.4 inches, the AD310 is lightweight and portable. The user-friendly design features clearly labeled buttons, and the large screen displays results in an easy-to-read format. This means you can quickly navigate through the diagnostic process without any hassle. So, who is this product suitable for? The ANCEL AD310 is perfect for car owners who want to be proactive about their vehicle maintenance. Whether you're a seasoned DIY mechanic or just someone looking to understand your car better, this scanner can help you troubleshoot issues before they escalate. It's also great for those who frequently work on multiple vehicles, thanks to its broad compatibility. Practical use cases for the AD310 include checking for trouble codes when your check engine light comes on, diagnosing issues before taking your car to a mechanic, or simply monitoring your vehicle's performance over time. With this tool, you can gain insights into what's going